Hello guys. So today I am using KS Resin liquid stone. I'm just gonna do some coasters. I used my respirator to mix it up. I just took it off for a few seconds to show you these colors. Sorry, still not feeling good. This is a glitter called Ask Alice from Fran's Glitter and More. It's different size circle confetti glitters. And then I am using some turquoise blue from Colourarte Expressions. You can get this at ColourateExpressions.com if you are in Australia. If you are in the States, you can get it from Laura's Art Corner on Facebook. This is a epoxy pigment paste. Which is very opaque. There's no shimmer in this particular one. And then I am using Abalone shell from Bling Colourarte. Which I believe is all of the Bling It Interference sparkles all put together. It's got all of the colors and all of the sparkle. Believe it or not, there is no glitter in this. This is all just mica flakes. So there you have it. I am using these molds that I got from Amazon. I will list them down below. They are a diamond edge mold, and a full face respirator. When working with resin, no matter what, it's always better to protect yourself. So I'm going to just do some simple molds, some simple coaster molds, just like different designs, I guess, and just kind of lay the stuff around, and then I will bring you in for a close-up and then bring you back when we're demolding them. But I'm going to put you on time-lapse right now. Because I'm going to put my respirator on and you won't be able to hear me. So, here we go. We'll zoom you in a little bit too. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. I'll probably have to come back and put a thin top coat on because I didn't make enough resin, it doesn't look like. So I made 12 ounces of resin. I thought each one of them held 3. Although this one's a little, I gotta put them on something that's level. Anyway, I'll do that in a minute. So here they are. You can see a lot of depth. When you mix micas and pigment pastes together, you get that depth. See that? Where it looks like you can just grab it from right out of there. So I used liquid stone, which is a thicker viscosity, so it should not move that much. And if you see toward the end of the video there, I sprayed it. This is 91% alcohol. Actually, I think in this is 99%. It helps pop the bubbles, so you do not have to put a torch near your molds. You don't want to use a torch on your molds, and you do not want to have your heat gun on high. So when you spray alcohol, it tends to pop some bubbles. So we're going to let these sit, and then I'll probably put the top coat on them, and then I'll bring you back for the unmolding. So there you go, guys. I'll see you soon. Hey guys, so something happened and I lost the actual footage for the unmolding. But it's just unmolding. I know it's the most exciting part. But here they are. They have a lot of depth in them. You can't really see it on camera, but it looks like there's a deep hole right there. I can't see it. It's so hard to show up resin. Hang on. Let's turn this on. So there's the diamond edge. Now with these coasters, you have to get the full effect of the diamond edge, you have to take your resin all the way to the top. Otherwise, it won't give you that. The lip that goes around. My thing is shedding. My fur. But they turned out really cool. And I put the rubber bumpers on them. The glitter that I use is called Ask Alice. Ask Alice. If you use like a solid glitter, the diamond edge might turn out, you know, you might be able to see it better. but like in real life you can see it. It's just really hard to do. So the rubber bumpers are on them. I also have these things. They are for like either acrylic tumblers or for coasters. And they're actually lights. You can put it on the bottom of an acrylic tumbler or on the bottom of a coaster. I'll show you. And they can light the coaster up. They have different modes. So that's an option too. Let me try to get my, whoops, hang on. All right, take off my flash. But yeah, they stick on. And they have like other colors too, just to make your coaster a little bit more fun. They just get stuck there. So they just have different modes. Blink. So I'll put them down below if you're interested in them in my Amazon link. Let me see if you can see. You can actually see like the depth in it a little bit more now that I don't have my flash on. It looks like you can see all the way through, like it's a big pool. And where it's transparent, you can see the wispiness. That's the effect that you get when you're using like clear resin, epoxy paste, and mica together. You get that wispy, feathery type look. All right. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments. And all the materials will be listed in the description. And I thank you all for watching and hope you have a fantastic day. See you on the next one. Bye.